This red bar is killing your PC. It means slow startup, lagging games, and constant errors. In the next few minutes, I'm not just going to show you how to turn it blue. We're going to hunt down gigantic hidden files and use secret Windows command to reclaim space you didn't even know you had. Alright team, first up, we are using Windows own weapon. This is the 100% official, 100% safe way to start. Click your start menu and type disk cleanup. Now here is the pro tip. Right click it and run as administrator. This gives us superpowers. Select your C drive and hit OK. It's going to do a quick scan. Now you'll see a list of files. Go ahead and check every single box. Don't worry, this is all digital junk, temporary files, and system error reports. It's 100% safe to delete. Now my drive is showing a smaller amount because I do this regularly. But for you, this could easily be 5, 10, or even 20 gigabytes. Hit OK and delete files. And just like that, we have landed our first punch. That was the appetizer. Now for the main course. I'm going to show you the classic twist combo that tech pros have used for years to manually obliterate junk files. This is the stuff that hides the back alleys of Windows. First, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard to open this powerful little box, the run command. Our first target, Temp. Type it in, hit enter. Look at this. This is the system's digital junk drawer. It's all safe to delete. Press Ctrl A to select everything, then hold down Shift and press delete. This is a pro move to permanently nuke these files, skipping the recycle bin entirely. Now, you might get a pop-up like this, asking for permission or saying a file is in use. Don't panic, that's 100% normal. It just means a program you are running needs that file right now. Just check the box to do these for all items and hit escape. We will delete everything else. But we are not done. Round 2, Windows plus R again. This time type %temp% with the percent signs. This is your personal temp folder. Same drill, Ctrl A, Shift delete, and escape the stubborn ones. And for the final move in our cleaning combo, Windows plus R and type Prefetch. And in the same manner as previous, delete all of the files here. This next step is my absolute favorite. This is where we find the real 50, 80, or even 100 gigabyte monsters. We are using a free, brilliant piece of software called TreeSize Free. I have dropped the official download link in the description below. Once you have installed it, run it. From here, select your C drive. It will quickly scan and create this incredible visual map of your hard drive. See this tree map chart view? The bigger the rectangle, the bigger the file or folder. It's like an X-ray for your storage. Now, here is the golden rule. If you don't know what a file is, don't blindly delete it. Instead, do this. Right-click the folder, copy the path, and paste it into Google with the word "Is it safe to delete?" You'll get an instant answer from the tech forums and experts. This is the difference between cleaning your PC and breaking it. You will be shocked what you find. Old games, uninstalled programs that left huge folder behind. Just go through the biggest block, investigate, and if they're junk, right-click and delete them. The step alone once cleared 50 gigabytes for me. Ready for a secret trick? We are going to the command prompt to slay a hidden beast. When your computer hibernates, it saves everything in your RAM to a massive file on your C drive called hiberfil.sys. This file can be used if you use a desktop PC or just use sleep mode instead of hibernate. You don't need this file. Don't worry, this is super easy. Just type this exact command. I'll put it on screen and in the description and hit enter. You have instantly reclaimed anywhere between 8 to 16 gigabytes of space. One last trick. Go to your C drive in the File Explorer. In the search bar at the top right, type this size gigantic. Windows will, Windows will now search for every single file on your drive that is larger than 4 gigabytes. This search can take a few minutes, so be patient. Once it's done, it will show you a list of absolute biggest files. These are usually video files, game installation files, or big zip archive. If forget. Now, at this, I found a 6 gigabyte file I don't need anymore. I'm just going to hold shift and hit delete to permanently erase it. Go through your list, and if you see something you don't need, get it out of there. Thanks for watching, legends. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.